let's talk about the effect of those products. So my experience is that when I used them for the first time, it was amazing. Because I am very sensitive, so it is easy for me to feel energies and to feel the effect of the essence of plants on my skin. This is very easy for me to feel this. And what I can say, I just felt like everything that was kind of difficult for me to do, because sometimes you have to do something, but then you're like, but there's this, but that this, but that this. And that day none of this was relevant. It was so easy for me to live my life and to do exactly what my soul wanted to do. I felt so light, like no more heaviness. It was amazing. I really loved it. And I was purely in the energy of my soul. And this is something that I wish for everybody to feel, to be exclusively in the energy of your soul. And this energy has to be purified, of course, because sometimes this is part of us, this is part of our soul, but this is something that needs to be purified. So with the onguents, this is easier to have the energy of your soul that is purified. And this is an amazing feeling. An amazing feeling. But you have to understand also that there's work to do. I recommend a work to do alongside of it, just a work of reconnection with the soul, because I think that it will amplify the results. And you also have to know that we are talking about wounds. So if you have never been taking care of them, it means that those are wounds that are in a certain state. Because imagine you have been wounded in childhood and you are 40 years old and you have never been taking care of them. Of course, they are in a certain state. You see, it's like if you cut yourself here, but you do not take care of it for like 40 years, it may be in a certain state, right? Which means that it may take time for the wound to be completely cleaned, and for let's say your shield to be sealed. Okay. And but this is you have to know that this is exactly what this is doing. Actually, this is exactly what this is doing for each wounds of the soul.